Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to recover deleted photos on Android. So let's get started. Open Play Store. Search here Disk Digger and install the application. For showing you I am deleting my photos. Click on Start Basic Photo Scan. Click on Allow. Here you can see the photos that I have deleted. Select the photo that you want to recover. Click on the middle. Click on three-dot icon and then click on Show SD card. Select the folder where you want to save recovered photos. Here you can see I have recovered my deleted photos. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.